5 high-income skills to learn in 2025. Introduction: the future of high-income skills. In the rapidly evolving world of business, technology, and innovation, the need for specialized knowledge and expertise has never been more critical. As automation and artificial intelligence continue to reshape industries, the demand for skilled professionals who can adapt and thrive in this ever-changing environment is on the rise. In 2025, the job market will increasingly reward those who can offer unique value and contribute to the growth of businesses across various sectors. High-income skills are those that are in demand, hard to replicate, and require specialized knowledge or training. These skills enable individuals to command top salaries, work with flexible schedules, and secure financial independence. Whether you're looking to switch careers, advance your current position, or start a side hustle, mastering high-income skills can drastically enhance your earning potential. In this article, we'll explore 5 high-income skills that are expected to remain in high demand throughout 2025 and beyond. By acquiring these skills, you can position yourself for a future that offers both financial rewards and professional satisfaction. 1. Digital marketing and SEO expertise. As businesses continue to transition to the digital realm, digital marketing and search engine optimization (SEO) skills are crucial for driving traffic, generating leads, and increasing sales. With more companies investing in online platforms to reach their audience, there's a growing demand for professionals who can help them navigate the complexities of online marketing. Why digital marketing and SEO are high-income skills. Ever-growing demand. As more businesses move their operations online, the need for digital marketers to create strategies that reach the right audience at the right time is crucial. SEO is integral to making a business visible on search engines like Google, increasing its organic reach and sales. Diverse career opportunities. Digital marketers can specialize in areas such as content marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, and affiliate marketing. SEO professionals focus on improving website visibility, organic traffic, and search engine rankings. These two fields offer diverse job opportunities, from working in-house for large organizations to becoming a freelancer or consultant. A high earning potential. Experienced digital marketers and SEO specialists can command significant salaries, especially those with expertise in advanced strategies like conversion rate optimization, CRO, data analytics, and paid media management. How to learn digital marketing and SEO. Start with online courses on platforms like Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and Moz Academy. Practice by working on personal projects or offering free services to local businesses. Stay updated with the latest trends and algorithms to remain competitive in this fast-evolving industry. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, marketing, and logistics. The ability to develop, implement, and improve AI and ML models is a high-demand skill set that commands top salaries. As companies integrate AI and ML to automate processes, make data-driven decisions, and improve customer experiences, professionals with expertise in these areas will continue to be in high demand. Why AI and ML are high-income skills. Cross-industry application. AI and ML are not confined to tech companies alone. Sectors like finance, manufacturing, automotive, and healthcare are leveraging AI for predictive analytics, fraud detection, automation, and personalized customer service. The versatility of these technologies increases their demand across multiple industries. Advanced technical expertise. AI and ML professionals are highly specialized and require strong knowledge in mathematics, data science, programming, Python, R, and algorithm development. This level of technical expertise is highly valued in the job market. Significant earning potential. AI and ML engineers are among the highest paid professionals in tech. Companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft offer lucrative salaries and bonuses to those with advanced skills in AI and ML. How to learn AI and ML. Take online courses and certifications from platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity. They work on building personal projects that involve data analysis, algorithm development, and AI model implementation. Participate in coding competitions or contribute to open source AI projects to gain practical experience. 3. Web and mobile app development. In 2025, the demand for web and mobile app development will continue to surge as more businesses require custom-built applications to serve their customers and streamline their operations. Developers who can design, build, and maintain websites and mobile apps are among the highest-paid professionals in the tech industry. Why web and mobile app development are high-income skills. Constant market growth. With the increasing reliance on mobile and web-based applications for business operations, there's a constant demand for developers who can create user-friendly, functional, and secure apps. Companies are always looking for innovative developers to create both consumer-facing and enterprise-level apps. Diverse technologies and specializations, from front-end development, UI/UX design, to back-end development, server-side logic, to full-stack development, combining both front and back-end, there are various specialization paths for developers. Mobile app development for both iOS and Android offers opportunities for professionals who focus on mobile-first experiences. Lucrative salaries. Experienced web and mobile developers, particularly those skilled in frameworks like React, Angular, Flutter, or Swift, can command significant salaries. Freelancers can also set competitive rates for app development projects. How to learn web and mobile app development. Learn programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Ruby, or Swift. Take coding boot camps or enroll in comprehensive online courses through platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Udemy, and Codecademy. Build and deploy personal projects to showcase your skills and contribute to open source communities. 4. Cybersecurity. As the world becomes more interconnected through digital platforms, the need for cybersecurity professionals continues to rise. Cybersecurity involves protecting data, networks, and systems from cyber attacks, hacking attempts, and security breaches. The increasing frequency of data breaches and online threats makes cybersecurity one of the most critical skills in demand for the foreseeable future. Why cybersecurity is a high-income skill. Rising cyber threats. With the rapid digitization of businesses, the risks of cybercrime and data breaches are also growing. As a result, companies are constantly seeking cybersecurity professionals to safeguard their networks and systems. Specialized expertise. Cybersecurity professionals are highly specialized and require a deep understanding of topics like network security, encryption, ethical hacking, and incident response. This specialization makes the field both lucrative and in high demand. Attractive salaries. Cybersecurity experts, including penetration testers, security analysts, and security architects, can command high salaries due to the critical nature of their work. Large organizations and government agencies offer competitive compensation packages for top cybersecurity talent. How to learn cybersecurity. Enroll in certifications like Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, or Certified Ethical Hacker, CH. Gain hands-on experience through labs and real-world challenges, such as CTF, Capture the Flag, competitions and virtual cybersecurity platforms. Stay updated with the latest security trends and tools by participating in cybersecurity communities and forums. 5. Financial management and investment strategy. Financial management is an essential skill for both individuals and businesses. As people and companies increasingly look to optimize their finances, investment strategy, and portfolio management, professionals with expertise in financial management are in high demand. Understanding how to help businesses manage their cash flow, reduce costs, and make informed investment decisions is a valuable skill that will continue to thrive in 2025. Why financial management is a high-income skill. A growing need for financial expertise. Whether it's for individuals looking to grow their wealth or businesses seeking to increase profits and reduce financial risk, there is a constant need for financial professionals who can analyze, strategize, and implement effective solutions. A variety of career opportunities. Financial professionals can specialize in areas such as investment banking, corporate finance, financial planning, and risk management. This offers a wide range of career paths, from working at a bank or hedge fund to becoming a freelance financial advisor. A high salary potential. Financial managers, investment advisors, and portfolio managers are among the top earners in the business world. top-tier financial professionals can expect to command high salaries, especially if they have specialized expertise in areas like cryptocurrency, real estate investment, or private equity. How to learn financial management and investment strategy. A. Obtain certifications like the CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, or CFP, Certified Financial Planner. A. Study key concepts in economics, corporate finance, investment strategies, and risk management through platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and Udemy. A. Gain hands-on experience by managing your own investment portfolio or working with small businesses on their financial strategies. Conclusion. Invest in your future with high-income skills. The landscape of work is constantly evolving, and with technological advancements, changing market needs, and the digital transformation of industries, the demand for specialized skills continues to grow. As we approach 2025, the 5 high-income skills we've discussed, digital marketing, AI and machine learning, web and mobile app development, cybersecurity, and financial management, are at the forefront of these transformations, each offering vast opportunities for individuals who are proactive about learning and refining their expertise. Investing in these skills is not just about staying relevant in the job market, it's about future-proofing your career. These fields are not only in high demand but also promise high earning potential, job flexibility, and the ability to work across industries globally. The digital economy is flourishing, and as businesses embrace new technologies and seek professionals who can drive innovation and results, individuals with expertise in these areas will continue to be highly sought after. By choosing to acquire these high-income skills, you are making a conscious decision to secure long-term career success. Whether you're looking to start a new career, increase your earning power in your current role, or transition into entrepreneurship, these skills provide the foundation for a prosperous future. The key is to take action now. Start with online courses, practice your craft, and stay committed to learning. The time to invest in your future is today, and by mastering one or more of these skills, you'll be better positioned to navigate the challenges and opportunities that the future holds. As industries continue to evolve, remember that success in these fields requires not only technical expertise but also an ongoing commitment to innovation and adaptability. The ability to stay ahead of the curve by continuously upgrading your skills and staying informed about the latest trends will ensure that you're not just part of the workforce but a leader in shaping its future. In the end, the skills you develop today will pave the way for your financial independence and career fulfillment in the years to come. So, take the first step toward mastering a high-income skill and position yourself for success in 2025 and beyond.